If you're not the most flexible and you have sciatica, here are some gentle stretches you can do. We're going to do this one from bed, starting at the edge of your bed. Straighten one leg and slightly bend forward. You'll immediately feel the stretch in the back of your leg. Now we're going to do a gentle spinal twist to the right, hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Now slowly turn to the left and do the same. Now we're going to lay down and do a pelvic tilt. It's hard to show on camera, but the idea is to close the gap between your bed and your lower back. We have a natural curve in our lower back when we lay down. Rotate your pelvis to close it. Now we're going to bring our hips up and hold a bridge position. This will strengthen our glutes, but also lengthen our spine and open up our hips. Now we're going to continue to relieve pressure from that nerve. We're going to decompress that spine. Simply put your knees together and drop it to the left and to the right. Hold for a few seconds. Now the next stretch is optional. If you're not the most flexible, you might not be able to do this, but there's a little modification that you might be able to do, which is bending your opposite knee. The standard way to do it is to keep your opposite leg straight, but if your hips are not flexible, you might not be able to do that, so put your knee up. This one's not for everyone, but just putting the modification out there. I hope it helps.